Recently, the parking brake button on my BMW F10 535i has been looking like this, and it's absolutely terrible, and today I'm going to replace it, and of course I'm going to show y'all how to replace it. It is so simple, so easy. Make sure to stick around until the end to see what it looks like. So, other than that, let's get straight into this. That's right, this parking brake button is absolutely terrible. I don't know why BMW plastics are so bad, but look at this. I mean, it's just peeling off with age. It just randomly decides to stop working, and you can see I can literally just start peeling it off. It's pretty bad. BMW plastics are notorious for being pretty, well, poor, let's be honest. So what I've done is I've gone ahead, I've gone on Amazon and I've picked up this. This, of course, is a brand new parking brake button for my BMW F10. It doesn't matter if it's an M5 535i, but it does matter the year because I have a pre-LCI. I have these long little legs right here on the back. The LCIs, if I'm not mistaken, have the shorter legs. So make sure you get the right one. Since I have a pre-LCI, I gotta get this one with the older system, which is all right. It's the same thing, doesn't really matter. But I'm gonna go ahead and pop this off and replace it with this. It should be pretty easy. Actually, it really should be very easy. So pretty much all you gotta do, of course, is you gotta go ahead and right here, grab this, and you're just gonna pop it off however you can. I've seen a lot of videos of people saying that you have to go ahead and remove the entire center console to pop it out from the back because you gotta disconnect everything, you gotta unscrew it. Nonsense. There's no need for all that. This is easier. Go ahead and grab a tool of your choice. I have a bunch of these because any of them could really work, to be honest. Trim piece tool, a little pick, or even a small screwdriver. What you're gonna do is just go in wherever you can and pop it straight off, pulling it up. Because as you can see, there really is nothing screwing it on or holding it on. It's just kind of by pressure. So let's go ahead and pop this off. All right, there we go. This thing is off. It was actually very easy. I just got this little screwdriver as you saw, and I put it in the back here, put a little bit of pressure, and it pops right out. But take a look at the difference. I mean, that's crazy. Come on. Wow. I don't know how they get to this point, but you can see, of course, it is pretty much the exact same thing, more or less. But yeah, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and put the new one on. There we go. Perfect. Check it out, there's a light, of course. And if we were to turn the headlights on, well, you can't see it. Maybe you can, but of course, parking brake, lights up. Lovely. That's it. You're done. Good job. Now, these BMW plastics are everywhere, and so they all decide to go bad randomly. I did have one on the little trunk button right here, and it was falling apart too. I don't know why they do that. And I also have the trunk button on the exterior, on the actual trunk, is broken. It doesn't work anymore because the plastics just decided to fall apart. Thank you, BMW. And by the way, of course, the infamous charge pipe, the plastic charge pipe, they all blow. If you have an N55, you know about it, and if you don't, you will. Give it some time. Eventually, you'll find out about it. But this is about it, of course. Hopefully, if y'all were looking for how to replace your parking brake button, this helped. And of course, if it did, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so y'all stay notified about the future videos, because there's a lot more videos about this car coming. A lot of videos, really cool ones, including something related to this maybe. But that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you all in the next one. Take care.